What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and as you can see, I'm outside already. Fucking hot today, but we're gonna be attempting, guys, to do the swap on the back window. I'm gonna go ahead and try to install the Titan window. I'm gonna get it put on, but I'm gonna be removing all the seats and all that stuff right now. Hopefully it goes easy. Hopefully we run into no problems. The reason I'm changing out the window, guys, is because as y'all know, we painted the truck, but the truck was came out bad. The back window has a super amount of overspray, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the back seat right now, and we'll go from there. We're gonna have to be taking a couple measurements to cut a little bit on the back of the extended cab, the wall on the inside, but it should be all good. So let's get to it. So the back seat, guys, has 4 bolts, 2 right here and 2 over there, right there, and then you gotta pull up on it and it'll come off. I'm gonna go ahead and get those on that side and show y'all. So I got the trim off. I pulled out the insulation. I got the middle seat belt off. Right now I'm gonna be cutting. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut from right here, like right here somewhere. So like right here. Taking this, I don't know what it's called, this skin layer, so the window can slide down, have enough room. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, so we're pretty much ready to cut. We'll move all this shit out the way, and we're gonna be cutting straight down the side of this bracket, and the same on that side. It should be plenty of space, plenty of room. Hopefully it turns out good. If not, oh well, we're gonna wing it. If you're trying to do this, guys, this is not, I repeat, this is not a step-by-step video or nothing like that. As you know, guys, I usually wing a lot of things, and it's just part of it. It's part of the show. You know, you want to get shit done. You want to get it done for cheap or for whatever. You know, sometimes you just gotta try yourself. But we're gonna go ahead and start cutting this up, trying to see how it fits, and we'll go from there, guys. Alright, so I already started cutting. Cut it right here, cut it right there, all the way to here. Like I said, guys, this is not a step-by-step process. This is what I'm decided to do, and hopefully it turns out good. If not, we'll fix it. I'm not gonna worry about stuff like this anymore, guys. The only thing I am doing, guys, I put a piece of cardboard down just so the carpet won't catch on fire with any sparks or anything. And the headliner is surviving. It needs a new headliner. As y'all know, guys, we're also gonna be doing some sunroofs on the truck, so it's no biggie. The headliner over there is already falling, and on this side too, so it's no biggie, guys. We'll get it fixed if it does mess up or whatever. But we're gonna get to cutting some more, and hopefully everything turns out pretty good. We're almost done cutting this section, but I want to let y'all boys know that when you're doing stuff like this and grinding, it's always a very, 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 very good idea to wear protective gear, PPE, you know what I mean, because then shit like this is gonna happen. It's pretty bad. I'm gonna go ahead and fucking finish this, and if I have to go to the ER or to whatever, I'll go. But we just need to cut a little bit right here. I didn't cut all the way through right there, and I need to cut this little bracket off, and pretty much it's loose. So let's get going. Let's get this out the way, and we'll go from there, guys. Alright, what's up guys? It's the next day. As y'all seen yesterday, we got the window installed professionally, you know, the whole seal, and I made a little bracket so you can mount up the motor and stuff. This bracket is made out of the same metal, guys, that the window came out of. You know, the little piece that we cut, the same one. Just made a little bracket, did a little bullshit welds. As you can see, my finger's still fucked up, but we did a little bit of bullshit welds just to get by. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. I got mostly everything already. I got the switch last night, I got some wire, and I got all the stuff that we pretty much need. So let's go ahead and put it on the truck, guys. Like I said yesterday, guys, this is not a step-by-step video, and if you're trying to do this, just be careful, make sure nothing like this happens, and let's get to it, guys. I tested it out already. I got all the brackets in and everything. That's gonna be it right there, guys. We're not gonna go fancy with it. The seat's gonna cover it, ain't no biggie. Right now I'm running the wires, and I got a sunroof switch from my brother-in-law. Big shout out, thank you, bro. I really needed it. And we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna run the wires all the way to the front, and that's pretty much it, guys. Run power and ground, and we're done. So I pretty much got everything put back together. The only thing I didn't like is that I had to put the switch right here, and it's gonna be for right now, guys. I got 20 feet of wire, and it wasn't enough from all the way back there. I had to run it through the little side panel. I ran it all the way up, and that's as far as it got. So we're gonna leave it like that for now. I'm not gonna mess with it because I also want to do something to the Trailblazer before Saturday, and it's already Thursday, guys. It's already Thursday, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish the Trailblazer, but I'm gonna get started on it anyways. One of my homies is gonna come through and help me out. Everything's pretty much put back together. I'm gonna show you the window going up and down right now. The window goes up a little bit slow, but it worked pretty good. Not too bad. I'm gonna give you a look from the outside. There it is. All these tires, guys, are from the Tahoe. I went ahead and put on the 20s. I sold the 17s. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. She looks good. She struggles a little bit to go up. It's a little slow, but still looks good. I like it. For my first time, not too shabby. That's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget, guys, on Saturday we're gonna be out there in Crystal Beach. If y'all want to join us, if you see me out there, you want to say what's up, you're more than welcome to hit me up. You know, be safe, guys. Wear y'all's masks. It's getting pretty bad out here again, and if you come around me, please wear a mask. Don't be selfish, and if you go around anybody, don't be selfish like that. And you know, number one thing is safety and our health. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, guys. I'm gonna try to go get a haircut right now because damn, I'm looking homeless. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. We have a lot more coming. We're gonna have some Tahoe content, we're gonna have some Trailblazer content, and obviously, guys, we're gonna still be hitting up the meets safely with our masks on. So with that being said, guys, don't forget, wear your PPE. God is good, and y'all keep pushing, guys. Y'all keep pushing, and I'll catch you on the next one.